What's up, y'all? We've got a special treat for you today. We're riding with the DFW group and we're out here in Lake Buchanan. Today's ride, on this Saturday, we're gonna be riding at LBJ. But before we start this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, comment on the videos, and also go enter the giveaway. The link will be right here. Right here. You gotta like that video on for the giveaway for me to start giving out products. And I got a special treat. Y'all been asking about my big girl and the little girl. They're back, but they never left. They were always just sitting in the garage. So it's time to show them some love. Come on and ride away with me. Look, I got my buddy out here. There's his friend up there in the back. And he's finally not injured. I mean, let's see that shoulder. Let's see that shoulder. That range of motion.
Yeah, now you can play volleyball, right?
Just run away with me, darling.
Alright guys, it is crazy at the dock today on the ramp. So I'm helping out a friend with his new Kawasaki right here. Well, actually it's not his new Kawasaki, but with his Kawasaki Ultra. It's got that manual reverse, and man, it's completely different from a manual reverse on a Seadoo and a Yamaha. It's crazy. So, but we got it done. Now I'm just trying to protect the ski because he's got a new wrap on it. We finally made it on the water. There's a lot of skis out here right now. We've got a ski down, the battery's not working, and we've got a bunch of Xtreme people that showed up for this DFW ride to show support to the PWC community, and I'm ready to ride. Karina, are you ready to ride? Is that a no? Yes.
It's a maybe. Look at this. That's a maybe.
Oh.
7 days a week. Wet ass pussy. Make that pull out gate.
Meanwhile,
I guess my GPS is
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
There was wheels missing. I was like, even up.
Oh, that's right. Some of them.
So we just finished up. I think this place is called Burger Shack. Food was okay. People were okay. Oh, I don't know about that. They weren't pretty happy. They were not happy that we didn't call before we came. So maybe you should call if you're planning on it with a big group. Call before you come.
Or don't come here.
Yeah, let's go up the river. Let's go. Now. Oh, okay, well let's go. You go first. You lead. You lead. Oh, you gotta go slow. Now wait over there. Right there. Hey, he's got the GPS. He's got our navigation. No, look at them. No way near their house. What a nice bar. Why didn't we come here?
I don't know. We go to that fucking shitty ass place that's fucking rude.
Shut up.
What over here?
Guys, check out this place. It's right across from Kingsland over there to right here.
Tim's got a gas station.
Oh, look at that.
Restaurants up there.
Look how nice this place is. Oh, what an awesome day. Now the sun's out. I'm kind of glad the sun wasn't out because, you know, the sun beams on you and you get super hot. And just sitting out there, like just when I was pumping gas at the end, I was starting to sweat on my head and I'm like, gosh, I can't believe like summer's around the corner and next thing you know, it's gonna be super hot. So we're back here. We're back at Highline Resort. I'm gonna show y'all a video on the next one about what this place is, but to give y'all a sneak peek of it real quick, let's go take a look. We're staying in that room. It has a kitchen and everything, bedroom, shower and everything. Let's go check over here. Here's the lake, and this is where the famous waterfall is at. Cue the video real quick. Isn't that freaking nice? So this is the best location, especially for jet skis. There's a ramp right here. They have a beach over there, and I'm gonna show it to all of you guys in the next video. Again, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button down below. Comment below if you would like me to come out to your lake or have any suggestions for a video. And also make sure you're subscribed. Until next time, see y'all on the water.